Hi there. So today I'm going to take you through how to set up your new password management software, Keeper. So there are a number of different ways that you can sign in. If you navigate down to the bottom here, please select Enterprise Domain and enter your enterprise domain here. If you're unsure what that is, please contact your administrator and they will let you know. Now, once you've done that, please select Connect down at the bottom here, and it will take you straight through to this page here. Now, the first thing I wanted to go through is how to create a shared folder. A shared folder is a really great and safe way to share records and credentials within your entire organization or to specific people within your organization. So just navigate to the top left button here, Create New, select Shared Folder, and create a name for your shared folder. Now you can specify user permissions. So here you can specify whether users have the ability to add and remove users or whether they have the ability to add and remove other records. So there you go. Now record permissions, here is where you can specify whether other users in this shared folder are able to edit and share records. So you can specify that here. Once you've done that, select Create. And if you go up to the top here, this pencil button is the edit button. Once you select that, you can start adding records and start editing this shared folder. If you navigate to the Users tab down the bottom here and select the search bar, here you can either type the person that you want to share this folder with, or alternatively, if you right-click into the search bar and just scroll down, it'll show every single person in your organization, and you can just add either everyone or you can just add specific people. Once you've gone through and added everyone that you want to add, select Save. As you can see here, you've created your first shared folder, and you know it's a shared folder because it has this shared folder icon to the left here. Now, the second thing I wanted to go through was how to create a normal folder. Now, this normal folder, I'm going to name Personal Folder. And here is where you're going to store all the records that you don't want anyone else to have access to. So once you've gone through and named this folder, select Create down the bottom here. Perfect. And then now I'm going to take you through how to create a record. So once again, navigating up to this Create New button, and this time selecting Record. Now there are a number of different record types that you can select from here. So you can save payment card, you can save your bank account, you can save your birth certificate, but for today, I'm just going to leave it as a login credential. And for this example, I'm going to save my Outlook credentials. Select Next. And then here you can specify the email or username for that account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then below that is where you're going to store your password. So either type the password for that account, or you can select this dice button here, which will generate a password for you. Now, this password will be 14 characters long, which is a really strong and safe password, which will make it extremely difficult for hackers to crack. Now that you've gone through and saved your password, you can enter the website. So I'm going to go ahead and put outlook.com. And then below that, you can store any relevant files or photos. You can add your two-factor code, or you can specify a custom field. Below these, you can add any notes that are relevant to that specific credential. Once you've done that, select Save up here.